This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable the red underlines in Microsoft Word. I will be using Microsoft 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. I have a bunch of lorem ipsum text on my document here. You can see all these words have red underlines underneath them. What that is your spell check telling you that these words are spelt wrong. Now this is lorem ipsum text, so it's not necessarily spelt wrong, but Word is telling me that it is. To disable that, you want to disable your spell check. The way to do that, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the File tab, click on File. Then you want to go all the way down to the bottom, down to where it says Options. Click on Options. In the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Proofing. Then on the center pane, down just a little ways under where it says When correcting spelling and grammar in Word, you want to uncheck that top box there, Check Spelling as you type. If you uncheck that, then you go down to the bottom and click on OK. All of my red underlines have disappeared. And to re-enable spell check, you would just follow the exact same steps. You go back up to the File tab, click on File, go down to the very bottom, click on Options. In the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you click on Proofing. And then you want to recheck Check Spelling as you type. Then you'll go down to the bottom, click on OK. Now all those words are being underlined again. Thanks for watching.